Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share Sindh MDCAT 2023 reconducted by Dow University of Health Sciences English MCQs SALT. In previous videos, I had shared MCQs from chemistry, physics and biology. So stay connected till the end of this video. Here we go. These MCQs will help you for the preparation of MDCAT 2024 and onward. So here we go. Questions from English. Luckiest neighbor means talkative. Question number 2, correct option will get, so you should study tenses. Question number 3, correct sentences. Answer, Aman said, what a beautiful house it is. Expressions. Question number 4, answer, Kinza said, how long dash, so you should also study about questioning, W questions. Question number 5, cleaning staff dash area to prevent spread of coronavirus. Answer, demolished. Question number 6, identify the error. Entrust me with work and it is done effectively. Question number 7, this is literally thinkless stuff. I will never take it again. Question number 8, with answer, shopkeeper told the boy that Shopkeeper told the boy that he did not take himself off would call off police. Ambiguous question. Question number 9, change into simple past. She is a beautiful woman. She was a beautiful woman. You should also study about tenses. Question number 10, what type of sentence is this? What are doing here, Ali? I have not seen you since June. Interrogative. Question number 11, Sherry is coming from Japan. Question number 12, my friend lives at Sadar in Karachi. Preposition. Question number 13, choose correct one. Gwadar, coast-like nation, treasure the longest in the region. Best of luck for MDCAT 2024 and other preparations. I don't have analytical reasoning questions. If you have analytical reasoning questions, comment or you may WhatsApp me so I can prepare a video on that. For more videos and test preparation, subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Thank you.